guys, I was craving for some milk. So Omar and Sam decided to get me fresh milk.
Let's like approach them quietly.
Maybe he has more.
Get it, come on. Think I can touch it?
Try.
I'm following you with camera, so.
Bebo, how you doing?
I don't know why I didn't need this in my life.
She's
I feel like
she doesn't like heights, she doesn't like driving, she doesn't like sketchy roads. These are all of those things. Check this place out. I am so stoked. Just look at this place. This is one of the craziest locations I have ever been. This is awesome.
Sam, what are you doing, man?
We are setting up the drones to do some pretty epic
Hi Omar.
routes.
Bravo, bravo, druže moj. What's up? Well, number 1. Mr. Number 2.
Oh my God.
You excited?
This is so beautiful.
You have full reception.
Ooh, I have full bars. I'm flying in like, oh my God, look at this. This is so cool. Okay, this is just getting crazier and crazier. Check this out. What is this place? Like, what? Look at this, look at. Way to go, Bosnia. You have one of the coolest hidden gems. I am honestly speechless. Honestly, this is incredible. Whew. Just let it.
How are you?
I'm coming back here too. Holy cow, this place is gorgeous. I can't say it enough. I am loving every second of this. And check out this view. What? So beautiful. This is so cool. Like, what a hidden gem. I am just at a loss for words. This is insane. us on this awesome 3-part adventure. We had an awesome time filming it. We really had a blast. We were only there for 10 days.
Yeah, 10 days.
11 days.
We actually squeezed everything in 10 days, and from those 10 days we pick up these 3 videos that you got the opportunity to see.
Hopefully next time we go back we do some more in-depth stuff. I'd also love to do like Croatia, Serbia. I'd love to go and do something similar, but let me know what you guys think.
There's more things coming, so make sure to subscribe, make sure to leave a comment.
I want to give a big shout out to Omar
And Ramiz
for taking us to Lukomir and through those mountains. It was an amazing adventure. They also are an amazing photo video team, so check out in the description. We have a link to some of their work. Draga prijevete Valavam, right?
No.
No? What? No. Hvala svima.
Thank you guys so much. See ya. Bye.